The benefits of plant-based nutrition for gut health. In recent years, plant-based nutrition has garnered attention for its myriad of health benefits, including its positive impact on the gut microbiome. Let's explore how adopting a plant-based diet can improve gut health and support overall well-being. Plant-based nutrition and gut health. 1. Rich in fiber. Plant-based diets are naturally high in fiber, which supports beneficial gut bacteria. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and fosters a diverse and healthy microbiome. 2. Abundance of phytonutrients. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are rich in phytonutrients, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which have prebiotic effects, nourishing beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting microbial diversity. 3. Reduction in inflammatory foods. Plant-based diets are typically low in inflammatory foods such as processed meats, saturated fats, and refined sugars. By reducing inflammatory foods, plant-based eating helps create a more hospitable environment for beneficial gut bacteria to thrive. 4. Alkalizing effect. Many plant-based foods have an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help maintain a balanced pH in the gut. A balanced pH promotes a healthy gut environment by encouraging beneficial bacteria growth while inhibiting pathogen growth. Improving microbial diversity. Enhanced gut flora. Plant-based diets support the growth of beneficial bacteria, which produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and support immune function. Reduction in dysbiosis. Dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut microbiota, has been linked to various health conditions, including inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Plant-based nutrition can help restore microbial balance by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and reducing inflammation. Optimized immune function. Approximately 75% of the immune system resides in the gut, making gut health essential for overall immune function. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome supported by plant-based nutrition can help regulate immune responses, reduce inflammation, and protect against infections and autoimmune diseases. Conclusion: adopting a plant-based diet offers numerous benefits for gut health, including increased microbial diversity, enhanced immune function, and reduced inflammation. By prioritizing whole plant-based foods rich in fiber, phytonutrients, and antioxidants, we can nourish our bodies from within, supporting a thriving gut microbiome and promoting overall health and well-being. Whether you're aiming to improve digestion, boost immunity, or reduce inflammation, embracing plant-based nutrition is a powerful step toward optimal gut health and vitality. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. LHLclub.com.